Hello guys, welcome to Some Auto Parts YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to introduce our new plan for 2024. As you see, I picked up my new Ford Ranger T9 this week, and this will be our new project for the 2024, and we are going to developing some parts and accessories for these vehicles. Actually, we can already find that there are coming some body kits for the front facelift to change the Ford Ranger from the low profile to upgrade to wrapped design. And we are also going to make some body kits which is practice one auto parts. And the first one, the front grille. We know the front grille is such high demand in the market because it's really not nice, it's ugly one, and the people wanted to add some dynamic LEDs of this one, but this front grille is such big, so that will be a big project for us by the R&D team. On the other hand, we find the fog lamp, the low profile one without the fog lamp, and the fog lamp design we will going to make with the front bumper facelift together. And I also got some information about this body kits. We may have some 4 body kits which need to change the bonnet and the fenders, headlights and the tail lamp to upgrade from the low profile to Ranger Raptor design. On the back side, we can find the low profile Ranger. This is without the roof rail, without a roll bar. So that will be our project for the back side. We are going to make some electronic roller cover, and we do also make some roll bar and the big covers. And on the other hand, I'm going to share you with some Bronco design tail lamp for this Ranger T9. That will be such an interesting one. The original practice side step is really ugly. I don't like this one, and for some design they coming with iron material and someone have the aluminum one, but the first side step I'm going to fit it will be the electronic side step, because when we go off-road or when we go to the city, and electronic one will be much easy because it will be hidden under the car, and looks much nice for this one. And also the wheel edges and the tire and the wheel rims, I'm going to make a big upgrade and change its facelift by a nice one. For the interior one, most people need some useful parts like the storage box, like the phone holder, like the something else. I'd like to have some information and suggestion for the interior upgrade, because what we're going to do may be the carbon fiber steering wheels, and also to doing some the door seal. That's normal products, but I want some creative one and interesting ones. So if you have any suggestions or commands for upgrade the Ford Ranger T9, please feel free to contact us and get me some information about this car. I'd like to work with you guys in 2024 and share to help each other growing up on this car vehicle. So thank you very much for you watching Some Auto Parts, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for follow our new Ford Ranger T9 projects in 2024. Thank you very much for your watching today, and see you next video. Bye bye.